In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this 100 watt portable little power station from the company ZeroKor. I think it's the ZeroKor. This is great for home, office, you know what, camping, hiking, traveling, home backup, emergency lighting, and fishing. And you know what, we can always use a charge while fishing. The capacity on this thing is 96 watt hours, and it's a 30,000 milliamp battery. And the actual top capacity on it, they claim is up to 100 watts. And it's got USB charging, portability, LED light, fast charging, multiple devices, BMS safe system, which is a battery management system. You know what, enough talking. I've already had this thing out, used it, put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. And this little lanyard goes in right here. You guys see that? But let me show you a little Easter egg on this lanyard. So you got a lanyard here and you're like, oh, I just got a lanyard. Well, push these two buttons right here on the side. A hidden USB-C cable. You've got a USB-C cable hidden inside the lanyard. So that is awesome. Let me go ahead and put this little lanyard on there. Now watch this. One goes in there like that. Put them together like this. Drops in, clicks into place. Look at that, everybody. There's your lanyard. But if you hit these two buttons, you've got a USB-C cable. That's awesome. So let me go ahead and go over this unit. So here's the little user manual here. Actually, let's just turn it on. Now that is a very dim display. Is there no way of brightening that display? It says it's at 71%. I'm using 0 watts. Let's just do, so you got 100 watt max output on that, 24 volt, 21 watt output on that. Let's get a little set of batteries over here. Here's my little set of camera batteries right here. Does it charge those? Yep, well, you know what? It started charging those with no problem. How do you turn the light on in this thing? I don't see a way of turning the light. How about hold it down? Whoa, that's bright. That is a bright light. Dim, flashing. That would be handy, SOS. So there you go. It looks like it just, it's, as soon as you hit that power button, it comes on. Let's see, does my cell phone charge? Right away, it is charging. Actually, I need a charge on my cell phone. Check that out. So it's charging the batteries. Let me grab another cable over here. Okay, we got some extra cables. I've got me a USB-C, another USB-C cable. I got a bike light right here. Let's try this bike light and see if it charges it. Well, as soon as I plugged it in, it started charging that. You guys see that? It is going up. I'm at 79%. So that's charging, 100 watt charging on that. Cell phone still charging. Let's see. Undo it. Let's see if the cell phone's still charging. Cell phone's still charging. We've got a little lighter here. This is a, I think that's dead. That's charging. So check it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 continuous items charging at once. You could probably actually put more on here if you actually split it, but everything here is charging. This thing works great, everybody. And to charge this, all you're gonna do is plug it in, use your USB-C cable and plug this into a wall. If you have a brick or something, or if you've got a solar panel that runs a USB-C, it'll also charge this right here. Everybody, I don't see any issues with this little power bank at all. This is by far one of the cutest little power banks ever. Look how small it is. It has a little handle right here to hold it. It's got a hidden USB-C cable that goes, that doubles as a lanyard. That's really cool how they did that. It's got wireless charging, and I think this is going to be a great addition to anyone that just needs to have, you know, on-the-demand power while they're traveling, camping, fishing, or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the ZeroKor. You know, LED, wireless charging, USB-C charging, USB-A charging, 100 watt charger. See you all in the next video.